we're going to show you how to install a second SIM card into your Samsung Galaxy S21 5G phone. So this phone supports dual SIM card. So you may need a second SIM card when you're traveling and you purchase a local SIM card in the country that you are traveling to. And most likely you will use a SIM 2 for mobile usage, and we will show you how to configure that as well. So using your ejection pin, remove the SIM tray from the phone. So this is a SIM card that's already in our phone, and when you flip over, it says SIM 2, where you can load your second SIM card. Take note of where the notch is and put your SIM 2 into the tray itself. So this is SIM 1 and this is SIM 2. Load it back into the phone. Next, let's power on the phone. So as our SIM 1 has got a SIM card pin, you need to key in the pin. Let's unlock the phone. It will bring you straight to the SIM card manager, and over here you can see that SIM 1 and SIM 2 is already installed. And these are the settings. For your calls and messages, you'll still let it remain as SIM 1. But as you are in a foreign country and you purchase a SIM card 2, you may want to set your mobile data to SIM 2. There, it is done. So now you have installed another SIM card into your phone, and the SIM card 2 will be used for mobile data when you're traveling. So this is how you install a second SIM card for your Samsung Galaxy S21 5G phone.